I've got this glass panel out of a grandfather clock hood, and it's obviously smashed. The one on the other side's fine, but most of this is here. Now normally they're done like this. They've got gold paint on the front, the pattern, and it's painted blue on the back. But this is in white, and it's all been painted on the back, so I've got to paint it in reverse on the back and then paint it blue. So I cut a pattern so it fit in the aperture, and use that to cut a piece of glass. That goes in, so now all I'll do is make a tracing of that pattern. I'm just improving the pattern because it's not that easy to see through the tracing paper. Now I'm going to turn it over and transfer it onto a piece of paper. Now I just need to mix up a blue that matches the other. So I think a little bit darker than that should be about right. So like I say, that does look like a fairly good match. I'm a bit hesitant because if this goes wrong, it's ruined. With these type, where the decoration's painted on the front, if you get the blue wrong, you can always take it off and do it again, but you can't with this one. Might need more than one coat. It does dry a lot darker than when it's wet, so it's you have to wait until it's dry before you know whether it's right or not. The blue's actually not a bad match, but it's more the white that's too white. I thought the blue was going to show through the white a little bit more and get it more of that colour, but it's not. So I think the only thing I can actually do is do the same thing for the other side, so they're a matching pair. So that's it in the case. You can see it just looks too new and fresh. It's not like woodwork, you can age it up. It is what it is, so I think that's actually going to have to be replaced as well. You can see where the paint's missing, where the putty's been put in. It's not going to come out cleanly, it's going to break. So I think it's going to be just make a new one. So I did manage to get that out in one piece, which I was quite surprised about. See, there's quite a bit of paint missing. But rather than strip that, I cut a new piece of glass. So repainted the other one, but tried to make another pattern, because obviously this is a mirror image of the other one, so I had to draw that up again. So that's now done. I need to give it another coat of paint on the back. So that's the new pieces in the case. I thought this was mahogany at first, but it's actually black walnut, what they call it, red walnut. I think it was just used as a cheap alternative.